Hey, I'm Fiddlin' Ray. Today we're talking about mandolin scales. So, first thing we want to do is usually we want to start on our A string, and then we play our first finger on our 2nd fret, second finger on our 4th fret, and 3rd finger on our 5th fret. Now at this point we could lay our pinky down onto our 7th fret, but for right now we're just going to skip that. We'll just go over to our open E string, and then just like we did on our A string, first finger, 2nd fret, second finger, 4th fret, and then 3rd finger, 5th fret. And according to Isaac Newton, what goes up must come down, so we go back down the scale, so we repeat that note. And then 2, 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Then, this is a pattern. We learn this pattern. We know 1 octave of our A scale. And that pattern is movable, so if we move that over a string and we start on our D string, then we have a D scale. It goes back down 2. And then the same logic applies to G as well. Back down. Great. So once you learn that, it's important to remember to keep all of those scales within 1 octave, because this finger pattern doesn't apply outside of the octave. So for example, I see a lot of students they'll just go across all 4 strings, and that's mostly right. But if we take a microscope and we look at what's going on here with these notes, I'll start here with the G, A, B, C natural, E or D, E, F sharp, G. Then you look at the notes in the D scale, D, E, F sharp, G. So far it's the same, but when we go over here, A, B, C sharp, We played a C natural over here in our G scale, but in the key of D we're playing a C sharp. That's obviously very different notes, and if you just play a G note, which is the root note of the G, the key of G, and we play a C sharp next to it, it's pretty apparent that that does not belong with that scale. And vice versa, when you play in the key of A, we have G sharp here, whereas in the key of D, that's just plain old G. It's not sharp. G sharp and G natural are very different notes, and just like that, it doesn't belong in the D scale. So it's important while we're practicing this that we want 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. We stop and go back down. And then from there, we have different finger patterns that we learn to, we'll get to, more than 1 octave later. But for right now, when we're just starting out, just starting right there. Alright, I'm Fiddlin' Ray. Thanks so much for watching. If you thought what I did today was helpful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.